Hello Kenta friends. In today's video, we will be discussing the best junk file cleaner applications for Android devices. As we all know, over time, our devices tend to accumulate unnecessary files, cache, and other junk that can slow down their performance. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Master Clean. Master Clean is a popular junk file cleaner application on the Android platform. This application is designed to clean unnecessary files, cache leftover files from deleted apps, and other junk files that can affect the performance of your device. Master Clean also has smart cleaning features and can optimize your storage safely. Additionally, the app can clean junk files from third-party apps that have been uninstalled. Master Clean also boasts a deep cleaning function that can improve the speed and performance of your device. Nox Cleaner. Nox Cleaner is an efficient junk file cleaner application for Android devices. This app removes app cache, junk files, leftover files from deleted apps, and other unused files to speed up your device. Nox Cleaner also cleans junk files from social media apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and more. The app also includes a battery saver feature that optimizes your device's battery usage. Nox Cleaner also has a deep cleaning feature to free up storage space on your device and enhance the overall performance of your Android device. Ccleaner. Ccleaner is a popular junk file cleaner app for Android devices. This app cleans cache, internet browsing history, temporary files, and other junk files to free up storage space and improve the performance of your device. Ccleaner also includes a deep cleaning feature that can clean junk files from uninstalled third-party apps. Additionally, the app offers a battery optimization feature that enables more efficient battery usage. Ccleaner also cleans and fixes your device's registry to enhance the speed and performance of your Android device. And that concludes our discussion on the best junk file cleaner apps for Android devices. We have explored 3 top contenders. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Stay tuned and have a great day.